taken a hard look at the popular products available today. This product is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Challenge your speed and endurance with the SF-T7874 Performance Treadmill with Auto Incline by Sunny Health and Fitness. Powered by a 3-peak horsepower motor, this high-performance treadmill can take users from 0.6 to 11 miles per hour with ease. Comfortably elongate your stride while enjoying the impact-reducing shock absorption system of the roomy tread deck. Increase and decrease your workout intensity with ease by utilizing the quick select buttons or handrail controls to move through 15 levels of automatic incline and various levels of speed. The unique 7-inch dashboard display with workout variable icons provides a user-friendly workout tracking experience, along with 14 different preset programs and 3 custom workouts for users of all fitness levels. Grab the easy-to-reach pulse grips while exercising to track your heart rate in real time. Plug your favorite smart device into the motorized treadmill via the auxiliary port to play your favorite music as you exercise. Feel safe and secure with the soft drop system and safety clip attached to the sturdy frame that supports up to 285 pounds in user weight. After you finish your workout, utilize the thick transportation wheels and foldable frame for simple storage. Perform your best with the Performance Treadmill with Auto Incline by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.